tryna niggas learn. If I'ma let them burn, let them burn. And these bitches better learn when I pull up on my birds, nigga.
Hey you guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial video. It's Bonya, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for the love and the support. And then if you're new to this channel, well, do subscribe to my channel. And you guys, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I made this top. What I do like about the top is that I don't need to wear a bra. As you can see, it's this fabric is ruched, so I don't need to wear a bra. And like this top, it can like hold my breast so tightly. As you can see, wow. Okay, yeah guys, so that is what I'm gonna be doing for you today. I'm just gonna go get into the video.